Well, hey there. I don't want you to get left behind. I don't. And what do I know you're going to be left behind in? Keep listening. If you want to do your job better, faster, more efficiently, if you want to save time in your day and spend your day like I love doing outside, getting some vitamin D, relaxing with a great cappuccino and a wonderful book, if you want more time for yourself or you want to impress your boss or both, I am here to tell you exactly how to do that. Do you want help with video scripts, whether it's for any of the videos that you're doing, any of the videos that your clients are doing? If you want to sell products, do you want help with social media posts, with writing them, with bulk creating posts, with creating images that are absolutely captivating and compelling and will make your social media and your marketing and your products stand out? Do you want to simply create recipes from images of food? Let's say you've got 5 things in the fridge and you're like, I need to cook dinner. I need a recipe, but I don't want to rifle through all my cookbooks. You can write reports, your resumes. It'll pass through the ATR scanners. Yes, it will. Resumes, cover letters, interview questions, questions to ask, and questions you'll be asked so that you can practice, study for tests. If you want to learn a new skill, if you want to create a course, this is exactly what you need. If you are not incorporating Chat GPT or any other AI tool in your everyday workflows, you are absolutely spending way more time. You will lose out on free time. You will lose out on enjoyment. ChatGPT and so many AI tools. Oh my gosh, I have tested dozens and dozens of them. It's like having a lot of assistants right there next to you for free, helping you to create whatever it is that you indeed want to create. I'm getting all choked up by this. If you want help right now doing your job, doing somebody else's job, creating any type of content or producing anything, learning a new skill, you want to know Excel, ChatGPT, and a lot of other AI tools can help you do exactly that. Get your hands on this. It's a $7 course. $7 course. I'm speaking on ChatGPT and AI next week at the Digital Marketing Conference in St. Louis. Now, those people who attend my talk will get the course for free. But if you're not going to be there, you can get this for $7. I don't want you to have any excuse for why you don't understand how to use ChatGPT and why you don't know what AI tools are the best, the easiest free tools, the best for you right now. I have an extensive resource list inside this course. I have tested every single one of the resources and I have tested loads more that didn't make the list. So, this list is exactly what I think are the best tools out there. I want you to do your job better, faster, more efficiently. I want you to have more free time. I want you to do whatever you want to do during the day instead of spending all that time researching and creating content when you don't need to.